Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm back with another hairstyle tutorial. So I've done this cute little summer updo, just with little braids, and then it finishes off in a little bun at the back. I think this would be really cute for any weddings that you do have coming up over the summer, or you could just use this as an everyday summer hairstyle. If you would like to see how I created this hairstyle, then just keep watching. This little hairstyle tutorial. If you do have any suggestions on further hairstyles, please leave them down in the comments and I'll try and create them. Also, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.